Welcome, today I'm showing how to switch on or off screen touches into screen recorder in your REALME C30. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here this button, screen record. So if you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, scroll down, find this button in this block, then press and hold and drag to top like this. And for saving, click back and we add this button now. And now tap it, and before starting we got show touches on screen option. So this position like gray, it's turn off this option, and this like blue, it's activate this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.